Chime. Welcome to Mr. Legend Crypto. If you're joining us for the first time, guys, we're going to be doing market updates today. We'll be taking a look at what's happening in the general crypto market. Should we be getting some of these altcoins right now that are pumping? Or is this a fake pump to just get us very, very bullish and get us wrecked? I think it's a fake pump to get us very, very bullish. We'll be taking a look at the charts to see what the chart is telling us. The answers is always in the charts. Remember that. Hello guys, welcome back to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, if you're joining me for the first time, I'm Mr. Legend, and in this video I'm bringing you the latest cryptocurrency news and chart analysis. We have a green day in the markets today, very, very green day. A lot of these altcoins are pumping. A lot of them are up double digits. We have AVAX up 10%, Ethereum up 10%, Ronin up 14%, and we have BTC, Sand, Axie Infinity, Maker. And today is a good day in the altcoin market. Very good to see that these altcoins are holding up well. Bitcoin has actually stopped dumping, so Bitcoin is actually showing us that maybe, just maybe, the bottom is actually in, but we don't want to jump into any conclusion right now because, guys, Bitcoin can still tank again. 16K is still on the cards till Bitcoin actually regain probably 30K before 16K will be on the cards, because, guys, Bitcoin can actually do this. It will just get us bullish. It's 30K region. If Bitcoin gets to that level, let me put this so that we can see what I'm drawing, and Bitcoin can pump like this, get to this level, get people bullish, people will be calling for 30K, 40K, boom, and Bitcoin will come down lower. That's what happened to us right here. We thought the dump was over and then we dumped. So it can happen again. Well, Bitcoin has not shown us clear signs that the bottom is in. Most times the bottom is in, guys. You will see a hard bounce from Bitcoin. When the bottom came in for Bitcoin, the bounce wasn't that hard, just a 20% pump, and the bounce was not that hard. And we see a lot of bounce from these altcoins. A lot of these altcoins, and most times when Bitcoin bottom comes in, guess what happened, guys? You see them bouncing really hard. They'll bounce to the upside, and that's how you know that the bottom is in. But right now, I don't think the bottom is in. Take a look at Ethereum. Ethereum is performing well. And since the dump happened, Ethereum is up. You can see the Ethereum price chart. Let me put it on the 4-hour time frame so that we can literally see in the action what's happening. You can see that the bottom of Ethereum came in here and we got this mad volume. When the bottom happened, a lot of people bought in. So the bottom of Ethereum might probably be in. If Bitcoin dumps, you expect Ethereum to dump. Ethereum has set a new high. It actually passed this place, past $1,178, and that was the level we're actually watching and hoping Ethereum will pass. If Ethereum can break through 1,200, then maybe, just maybe, the dump is over. If not, we might be going to Goblin Town, guys. We're taking a look at news stories happening in the crypto world. We'll also be taking a look at sentiment in the market. But first, let's look at the top 10 cryptocurrencies in the last 24 hours. Still at number 1, we have Bitcoin. Bitcoin is the king of the market, and Bitcoin is trading above $20,000. That's good to see. Today is a really green day in the market. All coins are actually having a good time today, Bitcoin included. That's what we want to see. More of these green days. Guys, remember, we're still in a bear market. The bear market is not going to go over in one day, but at least we're getting there. At number 2, we have Ethereum. Number 3 and number 4, we have the battle of the stable coins. Every day USDC gets closer to USD Theta. When will the flipping happening? When will the flipping happen? When will USDC actually pass USD Theta? Only time will tell. Number 5, we have BNB, and XRP has overtaken Binance USD. XRP currently number 6, and Binance USD is at number 7. At number 8 and number 9, we have Cardano, ADA, and Solana. At number 10, we have Dogecoin, and those are the top 10 cryptocurrencies by market capitalization in the last 24 hours. And the top gainers and the top losers in the market, which coins is actually having mad gains in the last 24 hours. We have this Storage J. It got into the top 100. It pumps 32%. We have Axie Infinity. We have new stories on Axie Infinity. We're talking about what's happening with Axie Infinity, and Matic, basic attention tokens, Zcash, and Ronin. In the loser section, we have Harmony, Pax Dollars, basically stable coins here, just Harmony and Leo that are in losses. Sentiment in the market is still in extreme fear. Guys, people are still scared to actually dive into the market. A lot of people think that, you know what, if the market is dumping, the last thing they want to do is to be pouring more money into the market and lose more money. So we're still in extreme fear, but history has shown us that anytime you buy any crypto when the market's in extreme fear, when you go into the future, you'll be happy you did, because if you go and check the fear and greed index on the yearly time frame, you can see that all the time we have come to extreme fear has been good buying opportunities. But the last 2 years we have been in a mad bull run, and if you go back in time, the bear market is actually brutal to crypto. You can see we spend majority of the bear market in the region of fear. So right now we're in the bear market, and that's why we're spending a lot of our time right now in fear. Bitcoin gives encouraging signs, and these are the levels to watch for BTC heading into the week. Bitcoin ready for $23,000. Is Bitcoin ready for $23,000? Only time will tell, guys. If you go on the Bitcoin weekly chart, you can see that Bitcoin's moving average, the 200-week moving average for Bitcoin is currently at 22,000. When we get Bitcoin get to 22,000, only time will tell. Let's go to the moving average. Let's put it on the 200. Let's see where Bitcoin's 200-week moving average is. We go to 200, and it's telling us that Bitcoin moving average is coming around 22,400. Can Bitcoin get to 22,400 before next week? Guys, only time will tell right now. Other times in the past where Bitcoin went below on 200-week moving average, the next week it actually recovered. During the COVID sell-off, you can see that Bitcoin wicked below it, and the corresponding week it actually recovered. Is that what is happening right now? We will need to see Bitcoin close above 22,400, and Bitcoin just has 2 days, 7 hours to do that. Will Bitcoin do that? And we hope Bitcoin will do that in the coming days. That will be very, very good sign to see. And traders are targeting 1,500 for Bitcoin. If Bitcoin can actually get to 1,500, that will actually be a good sign. The largest altcoin by market cap gained 10% on the day to climb to 1,200. Ripple, that's XRP, and Solana performed better, bold with daily gains in double figures, and the latter knocking on weekly gains of nearly 30%. But can this rally be sustained, guys? Do you think this rally can be sustained? Will the altcoins actually start going to alt season? Because if alt season is going to happen, we have to see a lot of these altcoins taking off. But in the bear market, I don't think alt season is happening anytime soon. We had our chance in the sun. The market has been pumping. It has been up only mode since 2007. Sorry guys, the market has been up only moon since 2019. Crypto was not there in 2007. What am I saying? Uganda gold recovery. What it could mean for crypto? Is gold becoming inflationary? Can Bitcoin replace it as a store of value to scarcity and reliability? Uganda actually said they just discovered mad supplies of gold in Uganda, which is worth trillions and trillions of dollars, which means the market cap of gold will have to increase, because anytime any gold is mined from there, it will be going for the price that any gold is going in the market, which will mean that gold is not as scarce as everybody makes it to be. So can Bitcoin actually come into the aid and actually be the world's reserve currency, guys? You know, we're going to have 21 million Bitcoins. So this is actually good news for Bitcoin if you're a Bitcoiner and you believe in Bitcoin. Other news reaching us is that CBDC may threaten stable coins, not Bitcoin. And we've been hearing news how stable coins might come to destabilize the crypto industry and how they are bad. But guys, government currencies will always be there. Right now we have stable coins in the market. Stable coin dominance, as a matter of fact, went into new all-time highs when the market capitulated. Right now stablecoin dominance is back to 15%. And that's good to see that the stablecoin dominance in the market is reducing. But we can't just be happy to yet, because guys, we can still set new all-time highs on the stablecoin dominance, especially if the market is not yet done dumping. The stablecoin dominance has been a steady increase since November 9th when the market topped, and since then you can see the stablecoin dominance rose over 327%. Is the stablecoin dominance pump over? Only time will tell right now, but it looks as if Bitcoin miners capitulation event may have already happened. Most times the bottom of the market is actually in when the Bitcoin miners actually capitulate, and it looks as if the miners have actually capitulated. That's what data is showing us. And Bitcoin price bottom typically follows miners capitulation. Miners have seen a dramatic change in circumstances since March 2020, gone from unprecedented profitability to seeing their margins squeezed. The dip to 17,600, that's 70% below November's all-time high, has hit some players hard. Data shows that miners were sending large amounts of coins to exchanges. So are miners done selling, or is the big event still happening? Because data reaching us is that a lot of people have been selling their coins on Coinbase, and a lot of miners have been sending their coins to exchanges, and maybe, just maybe, we have seen capitulation, but only time will tell. Most times it's in hindsight that will be like, oh, that was the day that the bottom came in. When the bottom is there, everybody thinks it's going to zero. Solana smartphone saga triggers mixed reaction from the crypto markets, from the crypto community. So Solana Labs actually announced that they'll be releasing blockchain phone. By 2023 to cost $1,000. The crypto community have been having a lot to say about it. People have been banting Solana, saying hope the phone is not going to go off the way Solana networks actually have outages and all. But that's a good sign to see that one of these blockchain companies is actually making products that will have real life use cases. Because guys, let's be honest with ourselves, everything is actually going mobile. And CZ has something to say. CZ say bad crypto projects should not be bailouts, says Binance founder CZ. CZ has argued that crypto firms that have been poorly managed and poorly operated or have released poorly designed products should be left to crumble. And CZ believes in market forces. In short, they are just bad projects. This should not be saved. Sadly, some of these bad projects have large number of users, often acquired through inflated incentives, created marketing, or pure Ponzi. And Binance is one of the largest exchanges in the world, and I feel like they're doing something right. With all the chaos, with all the turmoil, they are being able to stand their ground. And I realize that right now in the bear market is when Binance is actually doing their own promotion. A lot of these companies were in the height of the bull run spending millions and millions of dollars to get a lot of arches and all. And guys, Ripple CEO criticized SEC for contradictions on crypto regulation. Ripple CEO and the SEC have been at battle heads since when the SEC sued Ripple, which in turn started affecting the price of XRP. XRP was not able to go under a wonderful bull run during the bull run, and the court is still in case. We're hoping one day to get settled so that we can get clarity in the market. Guys, let's look at some charts in the market. Bitcoin dominance is in a free fall right now. Bitcoin dominance is as low as 43%. Will this signal the beginning of Altseason? History has shown that anytime Bitcoin dominance starts going to historic lows, we'll probably see Altseason. But guys, remember, Bitcoin dominance cannot go, it will not fall down in a straight line. It will have some pauses on the way, except we're in Altseason. So you see Bitcoin dominance crashing really hard. It's either we're in Altseason or we're getting tricked by the market. You can see that this level where we are coming to right now, we have been trying to break below this level for a while right now. Bitcoin has tried to break below this level 4 times. That's not been possible for Bitcoin. And Bitcoin tried here, and on the 14th of May 2021, it was not possible. Bitcoin tried to break this level again on the 11th of September 2021. It was not possible. Bitcoin almost got successful on January 2022, but what happened? It was not successful again. Will this time be different, or are we going to get rejected? I'll actually think that this time will be different. But guys, another important thing you know that is Bitcoin dominance in the market reducing doesn't mean all coins have to go to the moon. We still have stable coins in the market, and stable coin dominance is going to new highs. I just showed you guys. So we want to really be careful with the way we buy altcoins in the bear market, because guys, the bear market is not where everything will go up. If you make a wrong mistake, you will lose a lot of money. And total crypto market caps at $920 billion. Guys, we're down bad from as high as $3 trillion. Now we're below $1 trillion. When Bitcoin actually got to 17,000, total crypto market cap got to $750 billion. Crazy. For context sake, guys, during the height of the bull run, Bitcoin alone had a market cap of over $1.25 trillion. But right now, the total crypto market cap has a market capitalization of less than 1 billion. Only time will tell whether the dump is over, but right now it doesn't look like the dump is over. If we take a look at Bitcoin and Ethereum dominance, even in the market, Bitcoin and Ethereum dominance in the market is almost at 60%. So all coins are very, very risky. You want to be careful. Bitcoin and Ethereum dominance at this crucial level, if they break below, we might see a lot of altcoins going on a wild ride. But remember, guys, altcoins pumping doesn't mean we're back in Altseason. A lot of these altcoins are down 90% from their all-time highs. So this might be the exit pump. This might be the pump to just get out and get what you have from the market. Only time will tell if that will be the right decision. And let's look at some more news. Breaking: Harmony Horizon bridge hacked for 100 million. Crypto, have been having all these hacks year in, year out. We just had one some months ago about Ronin, bringing some news about it, of 600 million. And this morning, Harmony team is actually telling us they have identified theft occurring to the tune of $100 million. Hopefully, those people that stole the money will actually be caught. Axie Infinity to compensate Ronin exploit victims with relaunch of bridge. So they actually lost over $620 million in a heist, which was roughly 17,600 Ethereum and 2,500 USDC tokens. But right now they're opening the bridge, but you can only withdraw 1 Ethereum per day for every Ethereum you had before the hack. It's nice to see people getting their phone, and it's nice to see that they have actually fixed the problem. Let's take a look at Bitcoin. What's Bitcoin doing? Bitcoin is still below 21,000. We want to see Bitcoin close this week at 22,400 for us to go back to the 200-week moving average. Big Ethereum price breaks out as bad news for Ethereum price breaks out as bad news is good news for stocks. Ethereum has rebounded nearly 40% in the last 6 weeks. Ethereum used to show the altcoin markets the way, and you can see that from July 19, 2022 to where Ethereum is right now. Ethereum is up over 39%. It's nice to see. Is Ethereum signaling to us that the altcoin market is going to have a rally? Only time will tell right now, guys. Drop your thoughts in the comment section. Tell me what you think about the crypto market. Do you think the bottom of Bitcoin is in? Can Bitcoin regain 22,400? Will Ethereum get to as high as 500? Only time will tell. Thank you for watching this video, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. You can check my channel out. I release videos every day about cryptocurrencies, news, and analysis. If you want to see a chart being analyzed or you want to get an information, and don't forget to drop your thoughts in the comment section. Subscribe to this channel and turn on the post notifications. See you guys in my next video. Bye.